Today we discuss an important algorithm, Warshall's algorithm. Warshall's algorithm helps us to find the transitive closure of a relation. Terms used for Warshall's algorithms are a relation set, Boolean matrix, and transitive closure. We know that Boolean matrix is the matrix representation of a relation using 0 and 1. Okay. Also transitive closure. Transitive closure is a new relation formed from a given relation which is not transitive by adding some more ordered pairs to the relation. Okay. Now I explain the Warshall's algorithm using a given problem. Let A equals set A, B, C, D be a set and R be a relation on A, such that the relation is defined as R equals set ordered pair AA, AC, BA, BB, CB, CC, DD and DC. Obtain Boolean matrix MR star. We know that MR star denote the transitive, R star denote the transitive closure. So MR star is the transitive closure matrix using Warshall's algorithm. Okay, for finding the Boolean matrix of the transitive closure, first we convert the relation into Boolean matrix form. Okay. So MR equals, we have A, B, C, D in the set A. So we have 4 rows and 4 columns in the relation matrix or Boolean matrix. Okay. A related to A, put 1. A related to C, also B related to A. So in this position, second row, first position, we put 1. BB, so here it is BB, then CB, here it is CB, we put 1, and CC, C related to C, so here it is 1, DD, D related to D, so put here 1, D related to C also, put here 1. Other places are kept 0. There is no relation. That 0 represent no relation between B and B, no relation between B and D, and so on. Take MR as W0, W0. Take the Boolean matrix as W0. Now we want to find next step W1. How to find W1? Choose the column C1. We choose the first column and first row. We choose the first column and the first row in the matrix W0. And in C1, in column C1, choose the position of 1. Choose the position of 1 in column 1. In column 1, in the first position. And also in the second position we have 1. So in column 1, position 1, we get a number 1. In position 2 also we get a number 1. So C1, 1, 2. Then also find the position of 1 in the row R1. In the row R1, 1 appears in the first position. Also 1 appears in the third position. So R1, 1 and 3. So we choose new positions of 1s. We choose new positions of 1 by taking downward ordered pairs. That is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Choose the new positions as 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next we write W1. For W1 we write all the positions of 1 in W0 here. All the ones in W0. First we write all the ones in W0, write in the matrix W1. Okay. In W0, first row, first position is 1. First row, third one is 1. Second row, 1 and 2 is 1. And in third row, second and third is 1, and in fourth row, third and fourth is 1. Then check the new positions. 1, 1, here also 1, 1, 3, here also 1, 2, 1, here also 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. In W0, this position is 0. Here in W1, we add a new position. 1 is 2, 3. Okay. All the remaining positions kept 0. Now we get W1. Similarly, we continue W2 by choosing. We continue to obtain W2 by choosing second column and a second row. Okay, there we get W2, and then we move to find W3. There we choose third column and a third row. Okay. To find W2, choose the second column and second row in W1. Choose the second column and second row from W1, not from W0. Okay, clearly it's from W1. Then check the position of ones in column 2. Here in column 2, second and third position. Ones, the number 1 in second and third position. Also in the row 2, R2, in the first, second and third position. Okay, so the new positions of 1 are, we take the ordered pairs in downward, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Okay, now we write W2 . For W2, we write all the ones in W1 here. So 1, 1, in the second row 1, 1, 1, and in the third row C related to B, C related to C, and in the last row C related to C and the C related to D. Then check the new positions. 2, 1. 2, 1 is also 1. 2, 2. 2, 3. Then 3, 1. In W1, 3, 1, the position 3, 1 is 0. Now we add 1 here. 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. All the remaining positions kept 0. That is W2. Now we move to make W3. To find W3, we choose third column and third row. First we select the column and then only we select row. Otherwise, we got the wrong answer. Algorithm demands first you choose the column and then choose the row. Okay. To find W3, choose the third column and the third row. So, in the third column, the positions of 1 are 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the positions of row 3, position of 1 in row 3 are 1, 2 and 3. So the new positions or new positions of 1 are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Okay. In W3, write all the ones in W2 to W3. Okay. So 1, 1, write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in the second row, and 1, 1, 1 in the third row, and in the last row 1, 1. Then we choose the new positions 1 1. Here is 1 1. 1 2. In the W2 matrix, 1 2 is not present. 1 2 is 0 here. But in W3, 1 2 is 1. 1 3 is in W2 also 1. And next is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 is present here. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 is also here. Next is 4 1. 4 1 is absent in the W2 matrix, 0 in the W2 matrix. Now it is in the W3 matrix. And 4 2 is also in the W3 matrix. Okay. Take the remaining elements 0. Now we move to find the next W4 matrix. To find step 5, to find W4, we choose the column 4 and row 4. Okay, in column 4, the position of 1 is 4th position. In 4th position, we get 1. And in R4, first position, second, third, 4 are 1s. Okay, so the new positions are 4 1, 4 2, 4 3 and 4 4. Okay, so we write W4. W4 equals, we get W4 equals, we write all the ones in W3, in W4, 1 1 1 and 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1 1. Here A, B, C, D and column A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we choose the new positions 4 1, here it is 4 1, 4 2, here it is 4 2, 4 3 also present in the W3 matrix, 4 4 is also present in the W3 matrix. So W4 matrix is same as W3 matrix and this is the transitive closure of the relation. So it is M R star. Okay. Here we check in the relation in the relation given in this question is not transitive, but we make this relation transitive. We can also write this transitive closure. Transitive closure from this matrix M R star is relation of set ordered pair AA, ordered pair AB, ordered pair AC, ordered pair BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, CC and DA, DB, DC, DD. This is a this relation is transitive closure. We explain next problem, question number 2. Let A equals set 1, 2, 3 and relation R equals set ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 2, 3. Obtain Boolean matrix M R star for transitive closure of R using Warshall's algorithm. To find the transitive closure, we first represent this relation as a Boolean matrix. MR equals, here 1 is related to 1, 1 is related to 3, 3 is related to 1, 3 is related to 2, 3 related to 1, 3 related to 2 and 2 related to 3. 2 related to 3 represented in second row. 1 represents the relation exists and 0 represents there is no relation between those two elements. Now we construct W1 from W0. For that we choose the first column and first row in W1. We get the positions of 1 in column 1 as 1 and 3rd. In 1 and 3rd positions of column 1, 1 appears. Okay. In the first row, 1 appears in 1 and first and 3rd position. Therefore, the new positions of 1 are by taking these ordered pairs 1 1, 1 3, 3 1 and 3 3. So W1 equals all the ones appears in W0 appears in W1 also. So write these ones here. Then check the new positions 1 1, here it is 1 1, 1 3, here it is 1 3, 3 1, 3 1, 3 3. 3 3 is not present in the W0. Now we add new position 3 3 in W1. All other position left 0. Next, in next step, we find W2. For constructing W2, we choose second column and the second row from the matrix W1. Here, the position of 1 in column 2 is in the third position 1 appears. In column 2, 1 appears in the third position. And in row 2, 1 appears in the first, second and third position. So we get new positions as 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So W2 equals, write all the ones in W1. All the ones in W1, write it in W2. So 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now check the new positions. 3 1, 3 1 is here. 3 2, 3 2 is present here. 3 3, 3 3 is also present here. No other new positions are there. So W2 is same as W1. Okay, left all other terms 0. Now we construct W3. For that we choose, in step 4, we find W3. For that we choose third column and third row from W2. In third column, the positions of 1 are 1, 2, 3. Also in the third row, positions of 1 are 1, 2, 3. So the new positions are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So W3 equals, write all the ones in W2. In W3 we get 1, here 1. And in second row last element is 1. In third row all the elements are 1 in W2. So we write it here. Then check the new positions. 1 1 is here. 1 2 is not here. So write it 1. 1 3 is also here. 2 1 is not in W2. Write in W3. 2 2 is also here. 2 3 is here. So this is the transitive closure M R star. Okay. So Warshall algorithm help us to find the transitive closure. If the finite set has 3 elements, we find up to W3. And the finite set has 4 elements, we find up to W4. If the set has 6 elements, we find up to W6 and so on. Okay, thank you.